In this video, we're going to estimate by rounding, and the numbers we're going to estimate have decimals in them. So if we have a problem like this that says, estimate the sum by rounding to the nearest whole number and then add, and we have 2.78 plus 32.8. So round to the nearest whole number. I'm going to do this in detail, and at the end, I'll show you how to do it pretty quickly. But you need to understand the detail first. So what is 2.78 rounded to the nearest whole number? Rounding to the nearest whole number would be rounding to the ones. Okay, that's what that means. So this will be rounded to the ones, and this number will be rounded to the ones as well. So let's put it into the place value chart, 2.78. This is the ones column, this is the tenths, and this is the hundredths. We will round to the ones, and to do that, we need to look at the number to the right. Okay, so if the number to the right of the ones place is 5 or greater, then the 2 would become a 3, and we round it up. Okay, so to round to here, we look over here, decide if this is 5 or greater, and if it is, then this will become a 3. It increases by 1. Okay? So what if this number in the tenths was less than 5? If the number to the right of the ones place value is less than 5, then the 2 does not change. So we would just leave the 2 as is. Okay? So let's look at this in the place value chart after it's rounded. So we've rounded this 2 to a 3. Okay? Number rounded to the ones place value because in the tenths it was 5 or greater. To finish the rounding, the numbers after the ones place are zeroed out. That's what you do. So if you round to this, you round it, and then you zero everything else after that to 0. Okay? Now let's follow the same steps for 32.8. So let's put 32.80 in our place value chart. And then we will round to the ones. And to do that, we look at the number to the right. This number is greater than 5 or equal to. Greater than or equal to 5. So that means this is going to become a 3. We round it up. So let's put that in. So this 2 became a 3. This 3 stays the same. We don't touch that. Now we zero everything out after this 3 to 0. So now add the rounded numbers to find the estimate. So we just add 3 and 33 together to give us 36. So the estimate of this addition is about 36. And to do this quickly, you wouldn't go through all this trouble. Later on, when you get more practice, you'll be able to say to yourself, well, this is greater than or equal to 5, therefore this is 3. This is greater than or equal to 5, so therefore this is 3. So it's going to be 3 plus 33 equals 36. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, I have an ebook that you could download, and you could follow this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. I also have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help. And please make sure to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for listening.